You're on the SU network trying to swap a token. Dex A shows one different price and Dex B shows a slightly better price and Dex C claims to have the lowest slippage. And now you're stuck. As always, you know what happens. You're getting confused between the mix of how to um, go about this or which Dex would you want to use. But what if one platform could check every major Sui Dex instantly and gives you the best price in one single click? And if you could revert to our previous videos, you would definitely find out that we've done this for different blockchains, like the base ecosystem. But right now, this is for the Sui ecosystem. So that platform is Cetus. And today I'll show you how to use the Cetus Dex aggregator just like a pro. And welcome again to SMC Tutors. And today, like I did say, we would be showing you how to use Cetus Dex Aggregator. But before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do well to buy our educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now let's get started. So Cetus is a leading decentralized exchange and liquidity provider on the Sui and Aptos blockchain. It also features a DEX aggregator, which scans multiple DEXs instantly, finds the best execution price, reduces slippage, improves liquidity access, and ensures faster, smoother swap. Think of it as the 1 inch, or probably for the Jupiter of the Sui ecosystem. And all you need is just get your Sui wallet, and for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my OKX Web3 wallet that integrates every chain on it. And I'll just open my OKX Web3 wallet and go over to the Explore tab right here. Click on Cetus, and you can see it as Cetus DeFi. So the official website is app.cetus.zone. Click on agree to the terms and use your Swiss scan as your default browser. And all you need to do, just connect your wallet, and voila, it is connected. So this is your Cetus dashboard, and navigate to the swap section, which this is your swap section directly where you're able to swap just like any normal decentralized exchange swap. Then it gives you the best pricing system. So maybe from USDC to Sui. Let's just try a swap. I think I have a little Sui as gas, or would that be enough? No, I'm not sure. It's going to be enough, but you just need to choose your token pair, select the token you want to swap from, and select the token you want to receive. Then you could enter the amount of what you want to swap. Let's say 0.00001. That's really a lot. And of course, it still gives you a quote. Yeah, it gives you a quote definitely, because what Cetus does, it scans liquidity across all Sui DEXs, and it converts the execution route, and it selects the cheapest path. You could see it over here. It's an auto router, and it shows you the route it's using. It's using the blue move from Sui to blue to keep. That's the blue move, and you get your token very instantly. And it's very detailed. Honestly, it's very detailed. So you could click on swap, and the price difference is, you could see over here, the difference between the market price and estimated price due to trade size. The market price source is 1 Sui equals to 1.6875 USDC, and the market price source is Pyth network. So the price difference is 1,025% better than Pyth network's price difference. You click on confirm swap, and let's wait for confirmation. This may not actually work, honestly. Yes, because my account is insufficient for that. But it's pretty easy. You just click on that transaction failed. Of course, I do not have gas for the transaction. It's quite easy. You click swap, approve the transaction, and you swap complete within seconds. And you could also get to use the advanced settings, which in some cases it's optional, like using the limit swap or the DCA swap feature over here. And you could change from light mode, and you could change from light mode to a better mode, which would show you a sort of chart over here and what you're meant to swap into. So this is like the pro mode. It's very laggy for mobile, and just switch it back to the light mode. Then this is where you find trending tokens coming up here from the dashboard. So just switch it to your light mode and get to enjoy seamless swaps. Alright, so always verify any token you want to swap, because that's paramount so that you don't get to lose your funds. And use the aggregator only from their official website, which is app.cetus.zone. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the SMC Tutors channel. And we keep bringing you the best tutorials.